Now, you need to hear this if you're a savvy shopper or entrepreneur. Did you know that eBay sales skyrocket during recessions? It's true. When the economy takes a downturn, people start looking for ways to stretch their dollars further. This is where eBay comes into play. When times get tough, people are looking for bargains. They want to make sure every penny counts. And eBay offers a platform where they can find exactly what they need at prices that won't break the bank. And where do they find the best bargains? You guessed it, eBay. From electronics to clothing and even rare collectibles, eBay has it all. The variety and affordability make it a go-to destination for shoppers during economic hardships. eBay is a treasure trove of affordable goods. Whether you're looking for new items or gently used ones, the platform offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. This makes it incredibly appealing during recessions when people are more cautious with their spending. People flock to the platform during recessions to save money. The convenience of shopping from home, combined with the potential for great deals, makes eBay an attractive option for many. It's not just about buying, though. Selling on eBay also sees a significant uptick. This surge in demand creates a golden opportunity for savvy entrepreneurs like you. If you have items to sell, now is the perfect time to list them on eBay. The increased traffic means more potential buyers and a higher chance of making sales. It's time to turn this economic downturn into your chance to thrive. By understanding the market trends and leveraging eBay's platform, you can create a steady stream of income even during tough times. It's all about being strategic and proactive. Let's dive into how you can leverage the power of eBay to secure your financial future. From setting up your seller account to optimizing your listings and understanding buyer behavior, we'll cover everything you need to know to succeed on eBay during a recession. Stay tuned and get ready to turn challenges into opportunities. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Let's face it, relying on a single source of income is risky, especially during a recession. A side hustle is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Enter eBay, your secret weapon against financial uncertainty. Selling on eBay gives you an additional income stream. It's like having a financial safety net when you need it most. Don't wait for a pink slip to take action. Take control of your financial future today. Start building your eBay side hustle now. Recessions bring uncertainty. People are worried about their jobs and their finances. This fear translates into reduced spending and potential job losses. Don't wait for the worst to happen. Take proactive steps to protect yourself. Building a side hustle is like an insurance policy for your income. eBay provides a platform to generate income on your own terms. Be your own boss and create your own financial security. One of the best things about eBay is the sheer variety of items sold. From vintage clothing to electronics, there's a market for almost anything. But what sells best during recessions? People are looking for value and practicality. Think essential items, affordable luxuries, and unique finds. Let's explore some product categories that thrive during economic downturns. Thrifting is having a major moment, and eBay is the perfect platform to capitalize on this trend. People are looking for unique, affordable pieces to add personality to their homes and wardrobes. Electronics are always in demand. During recessions, people seek out refurbished or pre-owned electronics at lower prices. Don't underestimate the power of collectibles. Vintage toys, rare books, and other collectibles can fetch a pretty penny on eBay. Starting an eBay business might seem daunting, but it's surprisingly simple. eBay has streamlined the selling process, making it accessible to everyone. You don't need to be tech-savvy to succeed. eBay provides all the tools and resources you need to list your items, manage your inventory, and process orders. It's like having your own online store without the hassle of setting up a website. eBay handles the technical stuff, so you can focus on selling. Starting an eBay business can be an exciting and profitable venture. One of the most attractive aspects of selling on eBay is the low barrier to entry. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront costs, eBay allows you to start small and grow at your own pace. You can start with a minimal investment and scale up as your business grows. This means you don't need a lot of money to get started. Just a few items to sell and a bit of time to list them. Start with what you have. Look around your home for items you no longer need or use. These could be anything from old electronics, clothes, books, or even collectibles. Take clear, high-quality photos of these items and write detailed descriptions to attract potential buyers. The better your listings, the more likely you are to make a sale. Then, reinvest your profits into sourcing more inventory. Visit local thrift stores, garage sales, or flea markets to find items that you can resell for a profit. eBay allows you to test different product ideas without risking a lot of capital. You can experiment with various categories and niches to see what sells best. It's a low-risk, high-reward opportunity to build a successful side hustle. With dedication and smart strategies, you can turn your eBay side hustle into a thriving business. Remember, consistency is key. Keep listing new items, providing excellent customer service, and learning from your experiences to continually improve your eBay store. I've seen firsthand how eBay can transform lives. It's not just a platform for buying and selling, it's a gateway to financial independence and entrepreneurial success. I once met a single mother who turned a $10 investment at a thrift store into a thriving eBay business. Her story is a testament to the power of determination and resourcefulness. She had a knack for finding hidden gems. With a keen eye for value, she would scour thrift stores, garage sales, and flea markets, always on the lookout for items that others might overlook. She would buy items for pennies on the dollar and resell them on eBay for a profit. Her strategy was simple yet effective. Buy low, sell high. She meticulously listed each item, taking high-quality photos and writing detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Within a year, she was earning enough money to quit her day job and work from home. Her eBay business had grown beyond her wildest dreams, providing her with a steady income and the flexibility to manage her own schedule. eBay gave her the financial freedom to spend more time with her children. She no longer had to worry about missing important moments in their lives. Instead, she could be there for every milestone, every school event, and every family dinner. Her story is just one of many. eBay has empowered countless individuals to take control of their financial futures. Whether you're looking to make a little extra money on the side or build a full-time business, eBay offers the tools and opportunities to succeed. The key to success on eBay is persistence and a willingness to learn. The platform provides a wealth of resources, from seller guides to community forums, to help you navigate the world of online selling. With dedication and hard work, anyone can turn a small investment into a profitable venture. Positive feedback and customer satisfaction are crucial. By providing excellent service and quality products, you can build a loyal customer base and grow your business. Remember, every successful eBay seller started with a single listing. Your journey to financial freedom could begin with just a $10 investment. So take that first step, invest a small amount, find those hidden treasures, and start your eBay journey today. Who knows? You might be the next eBay success story, turning a $10 investment into a profitable venture. Success on eBay doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Don't get discouraged if your first few items don't sell immediately. Keep experimenting with different products, pricing strategies, and marketing techniques. The more you learn about eBay selling, the more successful you'll become. Treat it like a business, and you'll reap the rewards. In today's uncertain economic climate, it's more important than ever to diversify your income streams. eBay offers a recession-proof side hustle that can help you weather any financial storm. Whether you're looking to earn extra cash or build a full-time income, eBay provides a platform to achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your eBay business thrive. Have you had any success selling on eBay? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to achieve financial freedom. Looking for more side hustle inspiration? Check out my other blog posts for tips on starting your own business and crushing it in the digital age. Remember, the future belongs to those who hustle. Now go out there and make it happen. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips and inspiration.